Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's my distinct pleasure and privilege to stand before you today, and as we embark on this journey of sharing the experience, knowledge, and innovations. So let's start. BLRT Grupp. The foundation date of the company is 12 June of 1912, when was decided to build the Russo-Baltic shipbuilding yard in Tallinn. The site was chosen at Kopli in Tallinn because it was less than 5 miles from the city, with deep bay and easy access to the open sea. And at that time there was no infrastructure at all, so only forest and wasteland. About 10,000 people were involved in the construction of plant, and in just 3 years the production facilities and slipway were ready. And in 1915 the first ship was launched. The BLRT Grupp corporate family has celebrated its 111th anniversary in 2023, this year. The holding turnover exceeded €500 million last year. The result was secured by a joint effort put forward by each of more than 50 BLRT Grupp companies and 4 joint ventures operating in 7 countries: Estonia, Lithuania, Finland, Norway, Poland, Ukraine, and Latvia. The holding has a name BLRT Grupp since 2001 and employs about 4,000 people. Main activities: shipbuilding and ship repair, of course, offshore and oil gas industry, offshore wind energy, manufacturing and sale of metal products and blanks, machinery, production and sale of gases, transportation, port and stevedoring services. Real estate development in step with the latest trends, which you can see in the Noblessner area, for example. Each subsidiary is a reliable partner in its field. Shipbuilding. Shipbuilding is one of BLRT Grupp's historic lines of activity. Today the holding can develop a conceptual design, prepare technical documentation, and build ship in a turnkey basis. Shipbuilding yard we have in Lithuania, and its name Western Baltic Shipbuilding, specializes in the construction of grand blocks for cruise ships, multifunctional supply vessels, research vessels, tugboats, and other turnkey ships up to 130 meters long. Another shipbuilding we have also in Tallinn. Our shipbuilding part is mainly focused on fish farming market and small shipbuilding, which is offered by BLRT Grupp company with name Architects Marine. So we are offering turnkey solutions from project design and development throughout to the finished products delivery to the customer. We have been operating in Norwegian market since 2000 and have constructed more than 400 feet barges for our customers, so thus making a significant contribution to Norwegian aquaculture. Architects Marine built barges with feed storage capacities ranging from 100 to 900 tons and are successfully operating worldwide, from Japan to Chile and from Norway to Greece. The maximum weight of the barge is 1,000 tons. Engineering part, we have our own engineering bureau. And of course, in our field, we are nothing without engineering, which plays a pivotal role in production process. So our ship design company has around 100 passionate in-house engineers. Over the years, the company has developed from a supportive detail engineering department of a shipbuilding yard to an independent knowledge center of the maritime industry. So we are focused on various types of vessels. We design different types of ships, like fishing crafts, passenger carriers, research ships, fuel supply boats, etc. In our portfolio, we also have projects on modernization and conversion of ships. Each project has a dedicated team of engineers and project leader. Therefore, all team is on track throughout the project and allows simple communication to our client. And one of the key focus areas of the holding is the manufacture of high-end equipment and complex structures for oil and gas and offshore wind power industries. That's the main of Architects Offshore Constructions operating in Estonia. In 2020, as part of our development program supported by Enterprise Estonia, we have opened the doors on a brand new welding, machining and painting facilities from where we deliver large fabrication projects for North Sea and beyond. The new fabrication facilities enable us to expand our services and meet growing customers' demand. We can offer an integrated supply chain solution for large and high-value assemblies. The company pays special attention to energy markets with high-quality standards and requirements, ensuring strict quality control and compliance with the deadlines, of course. Over the years, the company has implemented many challenging and unique projects. The number of implemented offshore wind power projects has been growing, validating the adopted projects, development and other diversification strategy. For instance, the company has constructed foundations for offshore wind turbines commissioned by BLRT, a German company, manufactured and supplied 21 anchors, frame structures for 92.4 megawatts wind farm located in Arbidin Bay in Scotland. And today, Markitex Offshore Constructions is the best choice for wind power projects in the Baltic Sea region. The Markitex Offshore Constructions portfolio includes some Dutch partners for which the company has manufactured various equipment. One example is a unique monopile gripper for Seaway 7 for the offshore installation of monopiles up to 3,000 tons. In addition, there is another project for a Dutch customer, the fabrication of steel structures for Holland's Kust-Noord project, a 759 megawatts wind farm commissioned by Van Noord Offshore. And now I'm glad that we came to the shipyards part of presentation. BLRT Group has 3 shipyards, ship repair yards. Tallinn Shipyard in Estonia, led by me, Western Shiprepair in Lithuania, not led by me, and Turku Repair Yard in Finland. Design and technical support, repair, maintenance and retrofit of different types of vessels are yard's main activities which we are trying to provide at highest level. In 2020, the list of docks at Western Ship Repair in Klaipėda has been enlarged with 2 additional floating units. So now we have the largest floating dock in the Baltics, 235 meter long and 45 meter wide, which opens up new opportunities for the customers to carry out repair and modernization projects of Aframax, Panamax and post-Panamax types of ships. We also have the largest dry dock in Northern Europe, that is 265 meters long and 70 meters wide, which is located in Turku, Finland, and which is well known by many shipping companies in this room. In the remaining part of presentation, I would like to concentrate your attention on the shipyards as a maritime facilities, providing wide range of technical solutions for ship in operations. Situated on the shores of Baltic Sea, our shipyards benefits from their strategic location for ship repair and maintenance services, as well as implementation of major conventions in maritime sector. These shipyards are equipped with the modern facilities and infrastructures to accommodate the construction, repair and maintenance of wide range of ships. Especially here in Tallinn, we are providing services such as hull repairs, mechanical works, electrical works, painting, piping works, insulation, interior and marine safety, and other things. We have capacity to handle vessels of various sizes and types. For the docking purposes, our today's limit is 800 tons of ship's displacement and 140 meters of ship's length. Last year we decided to update the biggest floating dock, and now new 10,000 ton floating dock is under new building in Turkey. But this topic I will touch a little bit later. Due to that, the clients of a shipyard widely depending on the shipyard size and location, our 3 shipyards are also divided into segments, both by commercial shipping companies and by ship sizes. We are maintaining and repairing around 290 ships within 1 year. Our main clients are from the Baltic Sea region, like Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Baltic states. However, we are not only limited by this region. For example, we have clients from Greece, Italy, Spain, and actually from China and Malaysia also. Today's market sets different terms and strategic movements for our ship repair business, aiming to increase output, meet growing demand, enhance efficiency, so in general to expand and automate our production capabilities, of course taking into account the environmental impact and constantly lowering of that. We are investing in the necessary technologies and equipment, purchasing new machinery, upgrading existing equipment and productional areas, implementing automation and digital solutions to enhance the efficiency. During the last years, we were actively helping to make maritime transportation more environmentally friendly and compliable with compulsory international regulations. So, for example, we were installing around 10 scrubbers and over 70 ballast water treatment systems annually. We believe that making shipyards operations more environmentally friendly is important as reducing the environmental impact of shipping. So this year we opened the tender in Riigi system for development and construction of autonomous water cleaning drone for Tallinn Shipyard. This is innovative and technology-driven solution designed to clean the water surface around our floating docks and berthed ships. The drone has to be equipped with the various sensors, cameras, and cleaning skimmers to autonomously navigate through the water for monitoring the situation and, in case of necessity, to perform tasks aimed at removing pollutants and productional substances. And next year you are able to see this in operation, so you are welcome on our yard. We are developing an automated oil boom operating system as technological solution designed to deploy and control oil booms used in spill response and containment efforts in Tallinn Shipyard's port water area. And in addition to the purchased blast trucks and Hammelmann systems, which I will also mention on the next slide, we are working on universal general cargo ships hulls covering solutions to be able to sandblast dedicated zones in green mode. And in addition to some of the solutions mentioned above, we are also developing an advanced technologies designed to monitor, manage, and optimize energy consumption in shipyard productional areas. And small inside that each floating dock will have more than 100 implemented sensors for real-time monitoring and optimizing of energy distribution during the next few years. As I mentioned before, we are always trying to use and invest to up-to-date equipment. On this page you can see the dust-free blasting solutions, also known as dustless blasting or wet blasting. These are the methods of surface preparation and cleaning that significantly reduce or eliminate the production of airborne dust and debris. Purchased dustless closed-cycle blasting machines named Blast Truck are working quite well during last 2 years on our shipyard in Tallinn. Hammelmann high-pressure blasting system we just put into operation, but already a few ships were cleaned using of that, so looks quite well. Shore connection. BLRT Grupp's subsidiary company Bar Selector has been working on green ICT projects. The innovative projects centers on developing a system allowing moored vessels to connect to an onshore power supply and turn off their diesel generators. The system is modular and compact, therefore it can be installed in any suitable place on board an already built ship. We have signed a contract to install our system on board the Isabel vessel. Work is currently underway, and all our findings and innovations will come into use there, meaning that we will not only produce a viable solution, it's a turnkey project including the installation and related works. Bar Selector also proposes an innovative approach wherein a vessel would have 2 containers, one containing onboard elements and another containing onshore elements. The system are modular, mobile, and housed in the containers, which means that they can be utilized both on board and onshore. The green ICT projects of Selector take the company one step closer to reducing CO2 emissions and decreasing harmful environmental impact, since the ships will not need to start their auxiliary engines and generators in ports. Each and every day, Tallinn Shipyard's crew making efforts to enhance efficiency, reduce downtime, improve safety, and ensure compliance with the industry and marine standards. Over the past few years, we implemented the integration of advanced digital technologies and data-driven solutions to streamline and optimize the various aspects of ship repair and production platform maintenance. Our development politics is based on the Internet of Things technologies, which plays a crucial role in ship repair digitalization. Condition-based monitoring of ship repair processes with sensors and plans that helps to control fire safety, work tasks for each person, performance of dedicated productions, environmental conditions, prevent emergency situation, and many other things. We are working on unique solutions which finally should improve the quality and safety of dedicated operations, such as docking and alignment of ships. We will be able to remotely monitor the condition of separate duct structural elements from the ship's weight distribution using real-time sensor readings. And also this will give us an inside view that helps to increase the reliability and durability of our main marine ship lift systems. Despite integration of digital solutions to the productional part of ship repair, we do not forget about the fundamental aspects of our activities. And I am speaking about sales and estimation part, because ship repair begins with the sales. So at this moment we have ongoing project where we are working on powerful tool that can significantly enhance the sales processes, improve customer interactions, and boost sales effectiveness. A sales module software with artificial intelligence add-ons could be a successful strategy breakout. Also, this year we opened an investment project to rebuild the infrastructure in the area which provides access and communication for the docks. This is the part of big investments to the new building of 10,000-ton dock and major conversion of smallest floating dock number 2. The design and functionality of dock entrance infrastructure are crucial for an efficient and safe ship repair operations. And in addition to the opened infrastructural and dock new building investments, we decided to keep and not change the smallest Tallinn Shipyard's floating dock number 2, but also carry out major docks conversion, which is complex and significant undertaking that involves transforming its existing structures, including strengthening of load bearing capacity, full renewal of machinery part, electrical part, total renewal of the pumps and sensors and new tank leveling systems and other things. So dock will have our latest digital production implementations and automation class. By making of this kind of investment, we would like to ensure a positive and successful experience for ship owners, operators, and their and other clients seeking repair and maintenance services for their vessels. And now I would like to share my joy with you, since I was direct initiator, if I can say so, of the purchase of new floating dock and replacement of the old one. In late summer of 2024, the construction agreement for the new dock was signed. The new 180-meter long and 30-meter wide 10,000 tons lifting capacity floating dock is currently being constructed at Hudson Shipyard in Turkey. The dock is scheduled to be completed in spring of 2024. The new dock construction is yet another step of the investments program for the ship repair segment of the industrial holding, aimed at the significant expansion of the facilities and resources made available to ships owners at our shipyard. Over the last 5 years, we invested more than 75 million euros into that segment. And we have every intention to proceed with the investments in the future. This is a short video. Will show you our short, let's say, what we're doing and who we are in short video. Sorry, how to put this into the play? Or maybe somebody can... One more click, okay. Oh, thanks. I think you know this vessel quite well. Thank you.